Unlocking the mystery of musical gig, a simple guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to unravel the meaning of a very interesting English phrase, musical gig. This is a phrase that you might come across in everyday conversations, especially when talking about music and events. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. The term, musical gig, refers to a live performance by a musician or a band. Typically, this performance is not a part of a large concert or festival, but rather a smaller, more intimate event. Gigs can take place in various venues, like bars, clubs, restaurants, or even private parties. The key aspect of a gig is that it's a live musical show. The word gig has an interesting history. It originally appeared in the 1920s in the jazz world. Back then, it was used to describe a job or engagement where musicians were hired to play. Over time, the word evolved to specifically mean a live musical performance, often of a smaller scale compared to large concerts. Now, let's see how to use this phrase in everyday conversation. Here are some examples. 1. I'm going to a musical gig at the local cafe tonight. It's a small band playing. 2. My friend is a musician, and he has a gig this weekend at a wedding. 3. Have you ever performed a gig? I hear it's quite an experience. These sentences show how versatile the term can be, used in various contexts related to live music performances. While musical gig is a common phrase, there are variations you might hear. For instance, gigging. This verb form means performing at gigs. For example, the band has been gigging around the city lately. Gig economy. This is a broader term, referring to a labor market characterized by short-term contracts or freelance work. It's not limited to music but can include any temporary job. And that's a wrap on our exploration of the phrase, musical gig. I hope this video has been informative and helps you understand and use this phrase confidently in your English conversations. Remember, language is a bridge to culture, and phrases like these open up a whole new aspect of English-speaking cultures. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.